Still paying full price for premium products while everyone else snagged incredible Black Friday deals? These 8 offers are about to make you realize exactly how much money you've been leaving on the table unnecessarily. Number 1. Sonos Ace Noise Cancelling Headphones. The Sonos Ace Noise Cancelling Headphones reach Black Friday pricing that makes premium audio accessible to listeners who previously considered the brand aspirational rather than attainable. These headphones deliver the legendary Sonos sound quality that has defined home audio excellence for decades, now compressed into portable form factor. The active noise cancellation eliminates ambient distractions, transforming crowded commutes or open offices into personal listening sanctuaries. The transparency mode allows environmental awareness when safety or social interaction requires attention, without removing headphones awkwardly. The spatial audio creates an immersive soundstage that reveals dimensions in familiar music previously unnoticed. The comfort engineering allows hours of wear without pressure points, causing discomfort that forces removal. The battery life survives transcontinental flights and marathon work sessions without anxiety about power depletion. The build quality reflects premium positioning with materials and construction that feel substantial rather than plasticky. Number 2. Dyson Airstraight Straightener. The Dyson Airstraight Straightener achieves Black Friday pricing that makes revolutionary hair technology available beyond early adopters willing to pay any price for innovation. This straightener fundamentally reimagines hairstyling by using directional airflow rather than extreme heat plates that damage hair structurally over time. The technology dries and straightens simultaneously from wet hair, eliminating separate blow-drying step that doubles styling time frustratingly. The reduced heat exposure preserves hair health, preventing the brittleness and breakage that traditional straighteners cause inevitably. The intelligent heat control prevents temperature spikes that scorch hair, causing irreversible damage. The aerodynamic design directs airflow precisely where needed, without wasting energy heating surrounding air uselessly. The results achieve salon-quality straightness with natural movement that extreme heat flattening destroys completely. The styling speed impresses by accomplishing in minutes what traditional methods require significantly longer to achieve. The Black Friday savings make cutting-edge technology accessible to consumers who appreciate innovation but respect budgets. Number 3. Waterpik Water Flosser for Teeth. The Waterpik Water Flosser for Teeth reaches Black Friday pricing that eliminates excuses for neglecting interdental cleaning that string floss makes tedious and uncomfortable. This device transforms flossing from dreaded chore into quick, satisfying routine that actually gets completed daily. The pressurized water stream removes debris from areas that brushing alone cannot reach effectively. The gentle pulsation massages gums, improving circulation and health without the cutting and bleeding that aggressive string flossing causes. The effectiveness surpasses traditional flossing for many users, particularly those with braces, bridges, or dental work where string floss proves nearly impossible to use properly. The reservoir capacity allows treating entire mouth without refilling mid-session, interrupting flow. The pressure settings accommodate sensitive gums initially, while allowing increase as tissue health improves. The various tips address different needs from standard cleaning to orthodontic care to periodontal pocket treatment. The Black Friday discount makes dental health investment minimal, compared to potential savings from preventing cavities, gum disease, and associated expensive treatments. Number 4. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer achieves Black Friday pricing that makes premium countertop cooking accessible to home chefs who appreciate quality engineering. This oven consolidates multiple cooking methods into a single appliance that performs each function exceptionally rather than merely adequately. The convection technology circulates air efficiently, creating crispy exteriors that traditional ovens struggle matching without specialized techniques. The precision temperature control maintains accuracy that prevents the guesswork, causing overcooked or undercooked results. The capacity accommodates family-sized portions or multiple dishes, simultaneously maximizing efficiency during meal preparation. The versatility allows toasting breakfast, air-frying lunch, and roasting dinner without switching appliances constantly. The Element IQ system directs power strategically to heating elements based on cooking functions selected, optimizing each process specifically. The interior lighting and large window allow monitoring progress without opening door, releasing heat and extending cooking time. The Black Friday savings make upgrading from basic toaster ovens economically justifiable through improved results and expanded capabilities. Number 5. Rove R2 Dashcam. The Rove R2 Dashcam reaches Black Friday pricing that makes vehicle protection affordable for drivers who recognize insurance and legal benefits. This dashcam provides impartial witness to accidents, near misses, and parking incidents that otherwise become he said, she said disputes. The video quality captures license plates and details clearly even in challenging lighting conditions. The wide-angle lens covers multiple lanes, preventing crucial evidence from occurring outside frame frustratingly. The continuous loop recording overwrites oldest footage, automatically eliminating manual file management. The G-sensor detects impacts, automatically locking footage, preventing overwriting of accident evidence. The parking mode monitors vehicle when parked, protecting against hit and runs or vandalism that would otherwise go unwitnessed and unresolved. The night vision capability maintains usability during evening driving when many accidents occur. The Black Friday discount makes protection affordable, reducing hesitation about investment that pays for itself with single insurance claim or prevented fraudulent accident report. Number 6. Emeril Lagasse French Door Air Fryer. The Emeril Lagasse French Door Air Fryer achieves Black Friday pricing that makes celebrity-endorsed kitchen technology accessible beyond cooking show enthusiasts. This air fryer leverages Emeril's culinary expertise and design that prioritizes practical functionality over gimmicky features. The French door design provides unobstructed access to interior without awkward basket removal that risks burns or spills. The capacity accommodates whole chickens or multiple dishes, simultaneously serving families rather than only couples. The rotisserie function creates restaurant-quality roasted meats with crispy exteriors and juicy interiors. The dehydrating capability preserves fruits and makes jerky expanding appliance utility beyond simple frying. The convection technology circulates air efficiently, creating even cooking without hot spots. The temperature range handles delicate tasks like proofing bread through high-heat searing of steaks. The Black Friday savings make premium appliance investment justifiable through versatility, replacing multiple single-purpose devices. The countertop positioning provides convenience without requiring bending to reach floor-level ovens. Number 7. NordicTrack Treadmill. The NordicTrack Treadmill reaches Black Friday pricing that makes home fitness investment accessible to health-conscious individuals who recognize gym membership costs and inconveniences. This treadmill delivers commercial-quality construction that withstands daily use, unlike budget models failing within months. The cushioning system reduces joint impact that outdoor running on concrete causes cumulatively. The motor power handles walking through running speeds smoothly without struggling or overheating. The interactive training capability streams guided workouts led by professional trainers, creating motivation that solo exercise lacks. The incline adjustment simulates hill training that builds strength and endurance efficiently. The decline capability allows downhill training that prepares for varied terrain running. The touchscreen display tracks metrics comprehensively, showing progress that encourages continued effort. The Black Friday savings dramatically reduce payback period when calculating avoided gym membership fees and travel time. The home convenience eliminates excuses about weather, darkness, or facility hours that prevent gym visits. Number 8. Jackery Explorer Portable Power Station. The Jackery Explorer Portable Power Station achieves Black Friday pricing that makes emergency preparedness and outdoor recreation power accessible broadly. This power station provides peace of mind during outages that increasingly affect grid-dependent modern life. The battery capacity runs essential devices for hours or days depending on power draw and usage patterns. The multiple output types accommodate various devices from phones through laptops to small appliances simultaneously. The solar charging capability enables off-grid power generation, extending utility indefinitely in sunny conditions. The portability allows taking power anywhere from camping trips through tailgating to construction sites lacking electrical service. The pure sine wave output protects sensitive electronics that modified sine wave generators damage. The silent operation contrasts with noisy fuel generators that disturb sleep or violate noise restrictions. The Black Friday discount makes preparedness investment accessible, reducing hesitation about purchase that hopefully never proves critical but provides invaluable security if needed.